as we welcome to the stage, bigger than that, Lara Ressin.
Imagine I'd be standing here awkwardly for the entire 3 minutes because I forgot what I wanted to say. That would be my worst nightmare. But I actually remember what I wanted to say thanks to my cognition. Hi, I'm Lara, and I'm a neuroscientist, which means I study the brain. More specifically, I study how our brain structure and function influence our cognition. But what's cognition besides me remembering what I wanted to say? Cognition is our ability to understand and interpret the world around us and to react to it. For example, your ability to focus on this presentation right now, which I hope you still have at this point. Cognition is crucial for our everyday life. And you can actually tell how crucial it is in cases where it declines. Most well known is probably dementia, where people gradually lose these abilities. Therefore, we have to figure out what cognition looks like in the brain, and that's what I do in my research. On the left-hand side here, you can see a structural brain image. This is our physical, our anatomical wiring. To illustrate this wiring, I would like you to imagine it as the London Underground map. Imagine I wanted to go from Oxford Circus to Tottenham Court Road. Based on the map, I think that would just take me a few minutes because, the railroad is there, it's not a long distance, it's only one station, but I don't know if you've ever taken the tube in London. It might be delayed or not showing up at all, and as you can see during rush hour, don't. What I'm trying to tell you guys is, looking at the structure, at the map of a system alone, doesn't tell the whole story. We also have to look at the function. We have to check what's actually going on there. And this is what we do in this second brain image with the green blobs. These green blobs show the blood flow. The theory is that where the blood flows, the activity goes. So by measuring the blood flow, we can estimate which parts of the brain become functionally activated. Most studies look at either the structure or the function separately. I don't think that gives us the whole story, so my research is novel because I took the brain images of 27,000 participants, which is a lot, and I calculated something called structure-function coupling, the relationship between the brain structure and function. And I found that this relationship predicts how well our cognition is working. Now, why is that important? Because our cognition is a determinant for our quality of life, which means if I lose my cognition, I don't just lose my ability to speak in front of an audience, I lose my quality of life. And we need to protect that. In order to do so, we need to figure out what cognition looks like in the brain of the general population. My research is contributing to that. And now we can hopefully go on to figure out what changes in people who experience cognitive decline and intervene or develop treatment and therapies. Thank you.